Man on moon. Hello guys. Uh, I found something strange on Google Earth, Google Maps app or software on PC, and this is I have just named it Man on Moon. I don't know if it's real or not, how much it is real, but it looks like a man. Look, just zooming out so that you can have clear picture. See, the light is coming from that way and shadow is casting that way, and this is a clear figure of some man. And if I zoom in, you can see more clearly a head, a arm, a leg, and a shadow of the same thing. Shadow casting. You can see all on pictures. Shadow is on that way. That's his shadow. This is shadow. So this must be the man, and this must be his shadow. Um, this is something I found on moon. Um, I will share you the coordinates. You can find it on easily. How you can what happened to me? There was a patch available where I can see images more clearly, so I just started from here. So found this thing, my man on moon. Sorry, I'm just recording this now from my phone, doing everything on my PC. So maybe pictures little blurry. I will share the original pictures, the screenshots I've taken from my PC. What do you call this? An alien? A man? An astronaut? A rock? What? Well, I will say thanks to NASA for not deleting that thing. Yeah, and Google too. Thank you. Hope you like this. If you like this, do search on Google Earth and share with as many friends you know. Share with people. Make this go viral on everywhere on the internet. Thank you. I will share the coordinates on the link below. Also, you can also check this screenshots from here. Here are the screenshots. Here are the coordinates. Yeah, man on moon. I just named it. Okay. Who is this strange man? Let's call him. Let's call him Gomsi. Okay. Check out for yourself. Be aware and peace out.